Now, here's how you can see images on a Notion on your iPhone. So the way that it essentially works is that you need to have the Notion app set up and everything like ready so you can get inside. And in order to use the images or to see them, you need to find them in some of the pages. So if you don't have one, just start a new page. And essentially, to bring an image, you can see that obviously you can bring it into the title, but you can paste it directly into the text field. And you can do this by clicking on this like image icon right there. And you're going to be able to pick from the photos library or taking a photo right now, or even from the files application. So let me just choose this as an example. I'm going to click on add. And as you can see, the thing is then the image in the free version of Notion has to be smaller than 5 megabytes. So it is the limit that you can see right here. So either the option for me is to either upgrade and pay monthly for, the professional version of this app, or another possible solution would be to upload a smaller image and, make sure it fits, or just compress the existing one. So, if I bring in this one, this one has no issue as it is much smaller. So this is something that you should know about. Also, when it comes to resizing the image, it's not as simple. You don't really have any control for this, and the only way to resize images using the mobile version of Notion is, what I've noticed, is through the columns. So you can click on the plus and you can find the columns section. So you have to scroll through it and essentially find it somewhere in here. I don't think that I'm gonna be able to find it right away, but if you bear with me, I'm gonna be able to just get to the columns view. Actually, I don't think it is available on the mobile version, but if you use a computer and if you add the column, you're gonna be able to just, resize the images based on the size of the column, but apparently it doesn't really work on the iPhone anymore. So yeah, this is how you can see images on your Notion. Hopefully I made it kind of clear. It's not as transparent or as apparent as you could imagine, but yeah, that's just how images work on a Notion. So let me know down below in the comments if there is anything else that you would like to know. So yeah, if there is a question, go ahead and let me know about that. But for now, hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe for more, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.